Redmi Note 11T Pro mobile was launched on 24th May 2022. The phone comes with a 144Hz refresh rate 6.60-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1018 to 2460 pixel and an aspect ratio of 20.5:9. Redmi Note 11T Pro is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8100 5G processor. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Redmi Note 11T Pro runs Android 12 and is powered by a 5080 mAh battery. The Redmi Note 11T Pro support fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Redmi Note 11T Pro on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 64 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has a autofocus. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 16 megapixel sensor. The Redmi Note 11T Pro runs MIUI 13 is based on Android 12 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The Redmi Note 11T Pro is a dual SIM mobile. It was launched in Optimus Silver, Midnight Black and Time Blue colors.